Good afternoon. My name is Scott Rudd, the Chief Strategic Officer at T3Live.com. Welcome to today's recap and look ahead.
观众朋友，大家好，欢迎来到今天的直击美股，我是主持人江柳，在华尔街向您问好。今天的美股市场一扫昨天的低迷状态，开盘给力。道琼斯工业平均指数高开9.69点，上涨0.04%，报21,584.43点，也是创下了盘中最高纪录。标普500指数上涨4.08点，涨幅0.17%。纳斯达克综合指数上涨17.93点，上涨0.28%。科技股成为了本年度的领涨优势股。昨天收盘时，科技股报988.48点，这也是创下了自2000年3月互联网时代开启以来的最高纪录。科技股板块整体比去年同期上涨22%，而且实现了连续9个交易日的上涨。银行财报季在摩根斯坦利提交了他的财报之后也告一段落，而摩根斯坦利也是表现不俗。虽然财报显示它在交易盈利方面出现了2.1%的下滑，但是这是在所有提交财报的大型银行里面下滑幅度最小的一家公司。摩根斯坦利的第二季度利润以及收益均好于预期。财报显示，第二季度摩根斯坦利的收益为17亿6千万美元，力克对手高盛。而在公布财报后不久，摩根斯坦利的股价也是上涨2.3%。更多消息，让我们来进行交易员访谈。We knew that a lot of sectors just hit new highs these days, especially the tech sector. So, what do you think of this scenario, and do you have any suggestions for the investors there?
Well, what we like to do is we look at the broader indices. And yesterday we spoke about how the S&P cash held the prior breakout. So that meant there was support for the potential of new highs. So you look here at the chart, and we chart this every day, so this way you guys can navigate it. Remember here, when that 2400 was really important, and it held multiple times, and then we traded through this descending trend line here with a gap that held. That was very important. And then we broke out above this 2453, and then what did we do yesterday? We held it, and now here we are at new highs. So that's very healthy action in the S&P cash. Okay, the Qs help lead the march to new highs. At this point, I would not really be buying the Qs. I feel like you missed your opportunity here. When did you have it? You had it at the double bottom down here at 135.80, and now it's just a bit extended. I do think it's kind of important that it made all-time highs, but I would not be adding to positions here today. In my opinion, the Qs were a little bit in this area, or even when we reversed yesterday. So at this point, it is healthy to see, but it's not something I would be focusing on in more than a tier 1.
I see. And small caps and oil just have a big shift, so it changed the trends. Do you think can we just continue with it?
Well, I like both those setups, and they're different. They're not making all-time highs, but what the small caps did is hold up in the game. So today, off the bat on the virtual trading floor, I was buying the IWMs. Why was I buying the IWMs? Because the chart was tight. It's been in a consolidation for multiple months. So to me, it was worthy of a trade. Some were actually long versus this and held. And now this could have been your ad as it cleared 142.50, which was what it was in my note. And now I do think this can continue higher. This has been in a choppy range to the upside, but no power for almost since December. So now I do think that this is healthy and it could go for a few more days. And lastly, oil, which has been a headwind, and the XLE that's been trapped in this downtrend. We've seen this before, I know, but if you were long yesterday and added today because it held up and you had a good oil number, it does seem as if we can make a move up towards the 200-day, which is right here, and that would be a nice trade. Just so you know, last time it did this, it was a bull trap and went right back down towards the lows. I'm hoping this isn't a bull trap. You can't trade things as if they're going to be a bull trap, so I am long it, and I'm hoping for a little follow through in the next day or so.
I see. So much for today. Thank you very much.
Yes, and just as you see, every day we talk about different things. We're shifting through sectors. We're looking for tight setups. We're adding to positions that look to break out. We're reducing after their run, and that's how you put together a P&L and you trade for alpha and trade for a living.
好的，以上就是今天的全部内容。更多消息，请您关注我们明天的直击美股。我们下期再见。